The TrickleStar Portal allows you to set maintenance reminders for your HVAC system. To set the reminders, go to your thermostat page. Click Services, then Reminders from the left side menu. Here, you can set up to 4 types of reminders depending on your system. For maintenance on your HVAC system or a UV lamp, and to change the filter on your furnace and humidifier or dehumidifier. Once you have set your reminders, a notification will be sent to you on the TrickleStar app on the due date of each maintenance type.